गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आप सभी को नर्सिंग विद विनोद सर यूट्यूब चैनल में स्वागत है। आज हम डिस्कशन करेंगे उड़ीसा ट्रिपल एससी नर्सिंग ऑफिसर प्रोबेबल एमसीक्यू विद एक्सप्लेनेशन। मैं जो डिस्कशन करूंगा ये डे 5 है, किसी भी नर्सिंग ऑफिसर रिक्रूटमेंट एग्जामिनेशन के लिए भी इम्पोर्टेंट होगा। ओके, सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग ऑफ टुडे सेशन यू मस्ट हैव टू टेक केयर योरसेल्फ अगेंस्ट पैंडेमिक कोविड-19। किसी भी काम में अगर आप अपना 100% देंगे तो आप सफल हो जाएंगे। तो इसके साथ आज का सेशन शुरुआत करते हैं। वेलकम बैक टू टुडे सेशन। वन ऑफ द एसेंशियल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ रिसर्च इज रेप्लिकेबिलिटी, जेनरेबिलिटी, यूजेबिलिटी, ऑब्जेक्टिविटी। So what would be the right answer of this question? One of the essential characteristics of research. Okay, there are 4 options has given to you. Out of that you have to choose one the correct one. Very good evening and welcome to all again once again. Okay, here that answer would be the you must have to remember here the answer is D option. Okay, very good. Jyotirmoyi given the right answer. Okay, Jyotirmoyi, Santoshini, Ayushman. Very good. All are giving the right answer. Very good. Answer is the D option. Now we'll come back to next question. Which is the example of one-way communication? One-way communication कौन सा है? क्लास लेक्चर, ग्रुप डिस्कशन, कॉन्फ्रेंस, वर्कशॉप. So put your right answer in the chat box. What would be the one-way communication in the 4 option? You have to choose the correct one. Whether it will be the class lecture, whether it will be the group discussion, whether C conference, D option workshop. Okay, those who are putting very good, Pusholata, very good. Husikesh, very good. Okay, Dipti, very good. Okay, those who are putting A option, class lecture, this is the one-way communication. Group discussion is a two-way communication. Okay, conference is also like that, workshop is also like that. Okay, but class lecture is only lecturer will take the class of that particular topic. Okay, so it is a one-way communication. Very good, you have to remember this one. Answer is A. Now we'll come back to next question. How should a nurse administer an iron injection to an adult? Okay, in which way? Okay, the nurse will administer an iron injection to an adult patient. A option में intradermal in the forearm, B option में intramuscular in the deltoid, C option में subcutaneous in the arm, and D option में okay, here asking about Z-track intramuscular in the gluteal region. So what would be the right answer here? Very good. In the earlier question, okay, most of them have put class lecture. That was right answer. Okay, where you should give that iron injection? Okay, first read the question. Iron injection. Here that important criteria is the iron injection. Iron injection where you should give. Okay, unless and until you must have to give the intramuscular, but always you should give the injection in Z-track method. You must have to remember this one. Okay, it should not be given in the deltoid, that should be given in the gluteal. So here the answer would be the D option. Kavita given the right answer followed by the Jyotirmoyi. Okay, you have also given the right response. Very good. Okay, now we'll come back to next question. In which of the following condition blood transfusion is contraindicated? Okay, there are 4 options has given to you. There are 4 conditions is given to you. Out of that, which condition we should not give blood transfusion or we should not transfuse the blood? A option bleeding hemorrhoids, B option hemorrhage, C option में congestive cardiac failure, D option में hemophilia. So put your right response in the chat box. In which option or in which condition you should not transfuse the blood? Okay, all blood transfusion is contraindicated. Okay, bleeding hemorrhages, you can give the blood transfusion no matter. Hemorrhage, obviously you can give the blood, okay, to that patient no matter. Hemophilia, that is also a bleeding disorder, but in case of congestive cardiac failure you should not give blood transfusion to that patient. Okay, so you must have to remember this one. Very good. तुलेश्वरी, लतिका, पार्वती, मामाली, सहदेव, आयुष्मान, पंचमी, पुष्पलता, ऋषिकेश, संतोषिनी, दीप्ति, all have given the right response. Priyadarshini has also put the right response. Now we'll come back to next question. In which of the following condition oxygen therapy is not indicated? Okay, there are 4 options has given to you. In which condition oxygen therapy is not indicated? Mean you should not give oxygen therapy. Okay, or not necessary we can say. ये ड्राइनिंग, ओके, ड्राइंग यहाँ पर लिखा गया है, ड्राउनिंग होगा. ओके, ड्राउनिंग, ड्राउनिंग. ओके, बी ऑप्शन में चेस्ट इंजुरी, सी ऑप्शन में पॉइजनिंग, डी ऑप्शन में नॉर्मल अनकॉम्प्लिकेटेड लेवल. ये ड्राउनिंग होगा. ओके, उसके बाद बी ऑप्शन में चेस्ट इंजुरी, सी ऑप्शन में पॉइजनिंग. सो व्हाट वुड बी द राइट आंसर? कौन सा कंडीशन में आप लोगों को देना नहीं है? वेरी गुड. ऋषिकेश, मोनालिसा, देन आफ्टर पुष्पलता, ओके, आयुष्मान, ज्योतिर्मय, पंचमी, प्रियदर्शनी, गीतांजलि, कविता, सुप्रभा, all are putting the right answer D option. Okay, normal uncomplicated level oxygen is not indicated. Okay, now we'll come back to next question. Transportation of triglyceride from liver to adipose tissue is the function of which of the following lipoprotein? Okay, what will happen here? Okay, liver, from liver to adipose tissue. Okay, what will happen here? Okay, transportation. Okay, in between these two parts, okay, one is the liver, another one is the adipose tissue. What will happen here? Transportation. Okay, transportation of what? Triglyceride, or you can mention TGL. Okay, so which lipoprotein will perform that function? Whether it is the LDL, low density lipoprotein, immediate density lipoprotein, very low density lipoprotein, and D option you are getting the high density lipoprotein. So put your right response in the chat box. What might be the right answer here? You always have to remember, okay, one is the HDL. HDL is known as good cholesterol. HDL is known as good cholesterol. You all have to remember this one. Okay, on the other hand, VDL. VDL is known as bad cholesterol. Bad cholesterol. You always have to remember this one. Okay, so from the liver to adipose tissue, transportation of triglyceride is done by which lipoprotein? Very low density lipoprotein, or you can simply mention VLDL. VLDL. Okay, answer would be the C option. Have you got it? Okay, you all have to remember this one. Now we'll come back to next question. Which site is used to assess the status of circulation to lower arms and ausculted blood pressure? Okay, which side? Whether it is the apical side, whether it is the temporal side, whether the axillary side, whether it is the brachial side. In which side you will, okay, assess the status of circulation? Okay, to which part? Whether it is the lower arms, and you have to go through the auscultation of the blood pressure. Okay, listening of the sound. Okay, so which one? Put your right response in the chat box. सही आंसर पुट अप करिए. कौन सा होगा? Those who are mentioning D, very good. Okay, ऋषिकेश, कविता, दीप्ति, आयुष्मान, पुष्पलता. Okay, all have given the right response. Suchi, Smita, Panchami, all are putting right response. That is the brachial artery. Okay, you all have to remember this one. Okay, you can mention brachial artery. Okay, already it is already given, okay, to you that clue also. Okay, assess the status of circulation to lower arms. Okay, one is the upper arm, another one the lower arm. So you have to remember this. Very good. Okay, Suprabha, Santoshini, Atasi, Vijayalakshmi, Latika, Mamali, Pinky, Priyadarshini all have given the right response. Now we'll come back to next question. Calcium balance in the body is regulated with the help of one, okay, A option aldosterone, B option calcitonin, C option paradormone, D option of both A and okay, both B and C. Aldosterone is a mineralocorticoid hormone. Mineralocorticoid hormone. Okay, that is secreted by okay, which one? Medulla of okay, medulla, adrenal medulla. Okay, sorry, here you can mention cortex of adrenal gland. Cortex of adrenal gland. Okay, adrenal gland. So you have to remember this one. Which one? Okay, here you have to remember calcium metabolism and balance that is under the control of the okay, calcitonin, which is a thyroid hormone. Okay, which is a thyroid hormone. Okay, another the parad hormone. This is one is the parathyroid hormone. Parathyroid. Okay, thyroid hormone. Okay, that's why answer is the both B and C. Okay, now we'll come back to next question. We must have to move to next question. Tubes and catheters are disinfected with. Namaskar dear Kumar SK and welcome to today's session. Tubes and catheters are disinfected with glutaraldehyde. B options you are getting 1% hypochlorite solution. C option you are getting formalin. On the other hand, D option, okay, Corsolex. So put your right response in the chat box. What might be the right answer? Tubes and catheters. Whether it will be the okay, which one? I am waiting for your right answer. Very good. Okay, Kumar SK, Kavita, Gitanjali, okay, Pusholata, Ayushman, okay, Rushikesh, okay, Panchami, all are putting that glutaraldehyde. Very good. Answer is E option. Now we'll come back to next question. Best position for a client with hypovolemic shock. Okay, suppose a patient is came to the casualty with having the hypovolemic shock. Hypovolemic shock, how can you okay know about whether it is a hypovolemic shock? Okay, hypovolemic shock means much more amount of blood has already been lost, either that is due to injury. That's why blood volume has lost from the body. Okay, or blood volume has already been decreased. In that cases, what kind of position will be given? Whether the knee chest position, whether tendon elbow position, whether the Fowler's position, whether the lateral position. So what kind of position you have to give to the patient? Okay, always you have to remember in case of shock. Okay, what may be the shock? What may be the types of shock? You always have to B option. That is the tendon elbow position. Very good. Santoshini, Pusholata, Atasi, Suprabha, Ayushman, Suchismita, Rushikesh. Those who are putting tendon position, their answer is correct one. Very good. Now we'll come back to next question. Tapping over the facial nerve. Tapping over the facial nerve. Okay, which is a cranial nerve number 7. Cranial nerve 7. You have to remember this one. Causes twisting of the facial muscle. It is known as Vosteck sign, Chadwick sign, Trasiu sign, another one the Homan sign. So put your right response in the chat above. Okay, put your right response in the chat box. सही आंसर पुट अप करिए यहाँ पर. Okay, I am waiting for your response. Okay, here you will not get the okay Chadwick sign, because Chadwick sign okay you will see in the okay during the time of pregnancy. Okay, so put your right answer in the chat box. You always have to remember here. Answer will the Vostek sign. Very good. Suchismita, Latika, Santoshini, Ayushman, Sangita, Atasi. Okay, very good. Those who have mentioned, Hrusikesh also given the right answer. Vostek sign. Okay, a clinical indicator of hypocalcemia. Okay, you can also say this one. Vostek sign. Clinical indicator of hypocalcemia. Indicator of hypocalcemia. You must have to remember this one. Hypocalcemia. Okay, have you got it? Now we'll come back to next question. Which of the following is not a head loss mechanism from the body? Okay, there are four options has given to you there. Okay, out of that you have to choose one option which is correct one. Okay, you all have known about there are four important mechanism in which heat is lost from the body. Okay, conduction, convection, evaporation, radiation. Okay, so what will happen here? Okay, what will happen here? Put your right response here. Okay, conduction. Okay, in this way heat is also lost. Convection, in this way also heat is lost. Evaporation, in this way the heat is also lost. But irradiation. Okay, this is okay mean wrong answer. You can mention. Okay, that answer you have to choose. That is the D option. Have you got it? D option is the right answer. Now we'll come back to next question. Best position to give an unconscious client while performing oral care. Okay, you want to do oral care. Okay, patient has already been in unconscious state. What kind of position you will provide to that patient? Whether it will be the supine position, whether it will be the sitting position, whether it will be the sideline position, whether it is the Fowler's position. So what kind of position you will give to the patient if a patient is in unconscious state? Okay, or at the same time you want to do oral care. तो कौन सा होगा? Which one will be the right answer here? Very good. Sideline all have mentioned that. Okay, C option. Okay, Fowler's position नहीं दिया जाएगा. Fowler's position will not be given because there will be aspiration of that. Okay, mean secretion or whatever the water you are solution and water you are using, that will be aspirate and that will boost back to lungs. Okay, so you must have to remember this one. Have you got it? So sideline position will be given. Now we'll come back to next question. Highest BMR. What is the meaning of BMR? BMR means basal metabolic rate. BMR means what? Basal metabolic rate. Metabolic rate. Okay, A option is the thyroxine, B option adrenaline, C option testosterone, D option estrogen. Okay, always you have to remember here highest BMR. Okay, already been mentioned is found in boys बोला है. बॉयज में ज़्यादा करके हाईएस्ट बीएमआर आपको देखने के लिए मिलेगा, क्योंकि बॉयज का बॉडी में क्या ज़्यादा रहता है जिसकी वजह से हाईएस्ट बीएमआर देखने को मिलेगा. वेरी गुड गीतांजलि, आताशी, ओके पिंकी, वेरी गुड. Okay, those who have mentioned that testosterone hormone, their answer is of course correct one. Have you got it? Those who have not liked the video, like the video and share with your friend also, because everyone will get the benefit from Nursing with Vinod Sir YouTube channel. Okay, very soon that nursing officer vacancy will come. Okay, stay in touch. Okay, till that no such notification has been published by government. Once it will come, definitely I will inform you. Okay, you must have to remember this one. Have you got it? Now we'll come back to next question. Immediate disinfection of all articles. Immediate disinfection of all articles and bodily discharge during the course of disease is known as concurrent disinfection, recurrent infection, terminal disinfection, and another sterilization. So what kind of disinfection it is called? Suppose patient is there, Okay, you must have to disinfect immediately. You have to disinfect all article, whatever the articles you have used for that patient, you have to disinfect it. Beside that, you can also disinfect the bodily discharge, whatever the discharge is coming from that patient. Okay, you must have to disinfect it during the course of disease, is known as concurrent disinfection, recurrent disinfection, another terminal disinfection. So what kind of disinfection it is? Put your right answer in the chat box. I am waiting for your right answer. Always you have to remember, okay, always you have to remember concurrent disinfection. Okay, what would be the right answer here? Okay, those who are mentioning A option, their answer is correct one. A answer. Okay, let us see who I have given the right response. Okay, no one has given the right response. Okay, if the patient is in the hospital, at the same time, okay, if immediate disinfection of all articles will be done, bodily discharge, okay, also be discarded and disinfect that one. Okay, then it is called as concurrent disinfection. Suppose patient has discharged from the hospital, patient has already discharged from the hospital, or you are doing the disinfection and sterilization of the patient supply, okay, followed by the equipment, okay, then that is known as terminal disinfection. Okay, then that is known as terminal disinfection. Terminal disinfection means discharge, after discharge. Okay, after discharge. Okay, this one is the important question from the fundamental of nursing. Now the fundamental of nursing part is going on. Okay, till date I have taken the class of fundamental of nursing. You must have to remember this one. कॉन्करेंट इन्फेक्शन का मतलब क्या है? ओके, पेशेंट ऑलरेडी हॉस्पिटल में रहेगा, उसी टाइम उसका जो इमीडिएट डिसइंफेक्शन किया जाएगा, जितना भी आर्टिकल व्यवहार करें, सपोज अब टेथोस्कोप हो गया, ओके, स्पिग्मोमानोमीटर हो गया या थर्मोमीटर हो गया, व्हाट एवर द, ओके, एज पर द नीड ऑफ द पेशेंट, व्हाट एवर द इंस्ट्रूमेंट एंड आर्टिकल्स you are, okay, using, according to that you are disinfecting that one. Okay, have you got it? Now we'll come back to next question. Most effective way to prevent cross infection in hospital setting is hand washing. Use alcohol based hand rub between patients. C option, screen the visitor. D option, ensure adequate ventilation. Adequate ventilation. So put your right response in the chat above. What might be the right answer of this question? Okay, here you all have to know. Okay, here all have to know. Most effective way बोला है to prevent cross infection in hospital setting बोला है. Okay. Okay, so those who are putting A option. Okay, always you have to ensure adequate ventilation. हॉस्पिटल सेटिंग बोला है, एडिक्वेट वेंटिलेशन अगर हो रहा है तो समझ जाओ यू कैन प्रिवेंट, ओके, क्रॉस इन्फेक्शन. हैव यू गॉट इट? समझ में आ गया? ओके, दोज यू आर पुटिंग डी ऑप्शन. ओके, डी ऑप्शन, एंश्योर वेंटिलेशन. ओके, एंश्योर एडिक्वेट वेंटिलेशन, स्क्रीन द विजिटर. अनदर यूज अल्कोहल बेस्ड हैंड रब बिटवीन पेशेंट. अनदर हैंड वॉशिंग. Okay, most effective way बोला है. Okay, that's why the you must have to choose about the, okay, hand washing. Okay, you all have to according to WHO के recommend किया है. Okay, WHO recommendation minimum duration is 20 seconds. You all have to remember this one. 20 seconds. Have you got it? So answer is the A option. You must have to remember this one. Braden scale is a standard tool to assess. Braden scale is a standard tool to assess. I have taken class regarding decubitus ulcer. Okay, I have already been taken that class, that is the decubitus ulcer. Okay, under that you have already listened this term, that is the Braden scale. A options you are getting brain injury, B options you are getting okay risks of pressure ulcer, C option muscle strength, D option anxiety level of patient. So what would be the right answer here? Okay, those who are mentioning B option, of course, very good. Mona Lisa, Kumareski, Kavita, Priyadarshini, Jyotirmoyi, okay, Priya Vijayalakshmi, okay, then after Hrusikesh, Santoshini. Those who have mentioned that a B option, of course, their answer is correct one. Always you have to remember, Braden scale is used is a standard tool to assess the risks of pressure also. Have you got it? You must have to remember this one. Very good. Aishu Aisha, okay, Gitanjali, Santoshini, Latika, Panchami. Okay, those who have mentioned B option, their answer is correct one. Now we'll come back to next question. Cleaning of thermometer needs to be done in the desk direction after taking temperature. Okay, after taking temperature, what should be the direction to clean the thermometer? Okay, again one second, I am repeating this question. After taking temperature, what should be the direction to clean the thermometer? No, A options you are getting bulb to stem, B options you are getting stem to bulb, C option mid was between the stem and bulb to stem, D option mid was between stem and bulb to bulb. So what would be the right answer here? After taking. Always you have to remember after taking. Okay, don't be confused before taking of temperature and after taking of temperature. So don't be confused about it. Have you got it? Very good, very good. All have given the right answer. Gitanjali, Priyadarshini, Hrusikesh, Latika, Dipti, okay. Kumar, very good. Mona Lisa. Dipti also mentioned that B option. Very good. Panchami, Suprabha, okay, Vijayalakshmi. Those who are mentioning B option, of course, their answer is correct one. Okay. Always you have to remember this might be the one kind of VV, okay, IQ. Very, very important question, because sometimes that question will ask, okay, cleaning of thermometer needs to be done in the direction before taking of temperature. That question will be like that. Sometimes that question will also be cleaning of thermometer needs to be done in the desk direction after taking temperature. Have you got it? So you must have to read the question, then you have to answer that question. Have you got it? Now we'll come back to next question. Highest level of need according to Maslow hierarchy needs. Okay, you all have known about according to Maslow hierarchy needs. Highest level which one? Okay, Maslow hierarchy needs. Put your right answer in the chat box. सही आंसर put up करिए. Maslow's hierarchy needs. Okay, you all have known. Okay, like a triangular. Okay, triangular you will get. First one is the physiologic need, then safety needs. Okay, then love and belonging. Okay, then you are getting the esteem. Then top portion you are getting the self-actualization. Self-actualization. Here so question is asking about the highest level of need. So base level will be the physiologic need like air, water, food, shelter, sleep, clothing and reproduction. Safety needs mean personal security, employment, resources, health, property. Then love and belonging, friendship, intimacy, family, sense of connection. Esteem, respect, self-esteem, status, recognition, strength and freedom. Okay. Another one, the self-actualization, desire to become the most that one can be. So here that answer would be the D option. Of course, all have given the right answer. Aisha, Aishu, Vijayalakshmi, Sangeeta, Pinky, Hrusikesh, Gitanjali, Panchami, Suprabha, Preeti, okay, Preeti Pragya, okay, Priyadarshini, okay, very good, Santoshini, Kumar, okay, Mona Lisa. Those who are mentioning D option, their answer is correct one. Degree of resistance second pathogen is known as. Okay, suppose a pathogen, suppose a disease causing organism entered into the body. At the same time, our body will resist, degree of resistance. Okay, what will say here? Whether it is the immunity, whether it is the health, whether it will be the risk factor, or whether it will be the predisposition. Okay, whether it will be the predisposition. Okay, so what might be the right answer of this question? Okay, from here onwards, okay, the conversation and the classes will be in English. Classes will be in English. Okay, will be in English. So it will be good for you also. Your vocabulary skill will also be developed once you listen that okay English. Once you will study that English, definitely vocabulary skill will be developed. Okay, that may be helpful for the forthcoming okay nursing officer examination also, recruitment examination. Have you got it? So what will say here? Here your answer will be the immunity. Of course, all are putting A option. Okay, Latika, okay, Pispi, Priti Manjari, Vijay Lakshmi, Santoshini, Suprabha, Dipti, Kumar, Gitanjali, Pusholata, Hrusikesh, Sangita, Jyotirmoyi, Priti Pogya, Priyadarshani, Mona Lisa. Okay, Santoshini, those who are putting A option, of course their answer is correct one. Have you got it? Now we'll come back to next question. Sterile technique is also called a medical asepsis, surgical asepsis. C option में autoclaving, D options you are getting disinfection. So put your right response in the chat box. Okay, what would be the right answer here? Sterile technique. Okay, what is sterile technique? Sterile technique is also called as. Put your right response in the chat box. सही आंसर पुट अप करें. Okay, you all have to know about. Very good. Those who are putting B option. Very good. Hrusikesh. Okay, Priti Pragya, Santoshini, very good. Okay, Vijay Lakshmi has also given the right answer. Okay, those who are putting B option, their answer is correct one. Okay, that's why practice makes man perfect. Unless and until all are the educated, all are the intelligent. Okay, but it is need to focus or concentrate in particular question. What the question is asking you, whether have you listened in the earlier or not. Okay, that's why it is necessary to listen the question, okay, or understand the question. Then you will get the correct answer. Otherwise, okay, that answer would be the wrong one. Okay, wrong होने का chances रहेगा, इसलिए पढ़ना जरूरी है. Sterile technique is also called a surgical asepsis. Very good. Okay. Milking of drainage tube will create. Milking of drainage tube will create negative pressure. B options you are getting positive pressure. C option occlude the tube. D option में none of the above. So put your right answer in the chat box. Put up करे right answer क्या हो सकता है? Milking of drainage will create. Milking का what is the meaning of milking? Okay, milking means you can mention like squeezing. You can say kneading. You can say kneading also. Okay, or you can also mention twisting. Okay, twisting. So you all have to remember this one. Okay, have you got it? So answer would be the negative pressure. Very good. Okay, those who are mentioning A option, of course their answer is correct one. Okay, 41 okay nursing officer aspirant are in the online. Everyone has to like the video and don't forget to share with your friend also. Now we'll come back to next question. What is the full form of llama? Sometimes that silly question also confuse to someone also. Okay, silly question, easy question. It doesn't mean that the question pattern will be in the difficult mode. Okay, that question should be prepared on the basis of difficult mode, medium mode, another on the some simple form also. Okay, if it is 100 question, out of that 5 and 10 question will be the simple form, 20 to 30 question will be the medium mode, and 20 to 30 will be the in the hard or that is difficult. Okay, difficult priority. So according to the main questions are based upon the may different category. So here what will be the right answer? Leave against medical advice, leave and medication advice, leave alone with medical application, leave against medication apply. Let us see who are giving the right answer here. Okay, who are giving the right answer? I am waiting. And who are giving wrong response? Okay, otherwise I will say, okay, very good. Okay, very good. Of course, all have given the right response. Leave against medical advice. Of course, that answer would be the E option. Have you got it? Very good. Sangita, Gemini, Panchami, Pispi, Aishu, Jyotirmoy, Kavita, Rishikesh, okay, Vijayalakshmi, Gitanjali, Monalisa, Santoshini, Dipti, Suprabha, Kumar, SK, Pitti, Pagya, okay, Priyadarshini. All have given the right answer. Roku Khatun has also mentioned leave against medical advice. Now we'll come back to next question. The difference between the apical pulse and the radial pulse. Red is called pulse deficit, pulse pressure, both A and B. D option may none of the above. So put your right response in the chat box. You all has to remember here. Pulse deficit is equal to apical pulse minus apical pulse rate minus radial pulse rate. Radial pulse rate. Difference means what? Mean you have to, okay, you have to cut the, mean whatever the apical pulse rate is there, then you have to minus the radial pulse rate. Then you will get the pulse deficit. Have you got it? So answer would be the pulse deficit. Pulse pressure is equal to systolic blood pressure minus systolic blood pressure minus diastolic blood pressure. Okay, systolic blood pressure is equal to, okay, 120, diastolic blood pressure is equal to 80. So here that answer will be the 40 millimeter of mercury is the pulse pressure. Is the pulse pressure. You all has to remember this one. Have you got it? So here answer will be the E option. Okay. Always it should not be that answer will be the C option. Always try to utilize the, okay, amygdala, so that information can be retrieved from your amygdala or that hippocampus. Okay, it is necessary to store the data, store the information in the amygdala or hippocampus. So at the time of need, the data can be retrieved from your hippocampus और amygdala. समझ में आ गया? जितना भी आप पढ़ रहे हैं, जितना भी इंफॉर्मेशन स्टोर कर रहे हैं, दो जगह में स्टोर होता है. मेमोरी, मेमोरी कैन बी स्टोर इन, कहाँ पर स्टोर होगा? हिपोकैम्पस, HIPPO, hippocampus. Another one is the amygdala. These are the two important amygdala. These are the two important part of the brain where the memory or information can be stored. At the time of need, you can retrieve. Retrieve का मतलब क्या है? What is the meaning of retrieve? Mean आप लोगों को restore करना है. Okay, restore mean recover. Okay, or resuscitate, to revive. Okay, whatever the terminology or, okay, synonym, you can use that one. Now we'll come back to next question. Fresh bleaching powder contain 0.033% chlorine, okay, 33% chlorine. C option 0.33% chlorine. D option 3.3% chlorine. Okay, so what would be the right answer? What would be the right answer? Okay, from here onwards, okay, the classes will be in the English. Okay, mean what you will learn from that English classes? Okay, once I will take your this nursing or nursing classes, at the same time, suppose I will take this class with English language, then that will help to improve your vocabulary skill. And it is also easy to understand the question properly. Have you got it? So here that answer would be the B option. Very good. Okay, those who are mentioning B option, their answer is correct one. 33%. Always you have to remember this. B option. Very good. Hrishikesh. B option. You must have to remember this one. Not 0.33% chlorine. Answer is 33% chlorine in fresh bleaching powder. Which of the following chemical is most powerful disinfectant? 4 option has already been given to you. Out of that, you must have to choose the most powerful disinfectant. Option A Dettol, option B Lysol, option C Phenol, option D KMNO4 potassium permanganate. Simply you can say potash. Simply you can say potash. So put your right response in the chat box. Potash. Potash alum you can also say. Potash alum. Okay. Or potassium aluminum. Put your right response in the chat box. सही आंसर पुट अप करिए. Okay, you all have to remember here. Okay, that answer would be the C option. Phenol is the most powerful disinfectant. Very good. Gitanjali has given the right response. Now we'll come back to next question. Slow administration of NG feed. NG feed. NG feed means what is the meaning of that NG feed? Nasogastric feed. Nasogastric feed help to reduce flatulence, distension, regurgitation, another indigestion. Indigestion का मतलब क्या है? डिस्पेप्सिया. डिस्पेप्सिया. regurgitation का मतलब क्या है? बैकफ्लो. ओके, बैकफ्लो. फ्लैचुलेशन का मतलब क्या है? accumulation of gas. Accumulation of gas in the intestine. Okay, accumulation of the gas in the intestine. Okay, so what would be the right answer? Very good. Kumar SK, Gitanjali, very good. Okay, Mona Lisa, उसके बाद संगीता. Okay, very good. Those who are mentioning regurgitation, their answer is correct one. Okay, slow administration of nasogastric tube feeding help to reduce backflow, or that is the regurgitation. On application of hot compress to a client, heat is transmitted through. Okay, suppose you are applying hot compress. Okay, to client, heat is transmitted through conduction, convection, evaporation, radiation. Okay, so put your right answer in the chat box. In which way the heat is lost from the body? In which way heat is transmitted? So what might be the right answer of this question? Here all have to remember that answer would be the conduction. Transmitted through conduction. Have you got it? Now we'll come back to next question. Control of spread of disease is an example of which level of prevention? Primary prevention, secondary prevention, tertiary prevention. Okay, another one, the nursing intervention. So put your right answer in the chat box. Okay, what would be the right answer? Control of spread of disease. Suppose you can take an example of COVID-19. Okay, you can take an example of COVID-19. Okay, suppose for controlling of spread of COVID-19 is an example which level of prevention, whether a primary, whether secondary, whether it is the tertiary. Okay, those who are mentioning C answer, their answer is correct one. C, tertiary. Tertiary में क्या किया जाता है? Okay, aim to prevent the progression of disease, to alleviate the symptoms and to prevent subsequent disability after initial clinical diagnosis. Okay, control of spread of disease is an example of what level of prevention? Okay, so what will be the right answer here? which level of prevention. Okay, now we'll come back to next question. What is the maximum duration of time the nurse allows an IV bag, intravenous bag of solution to infuse into a patient? How many hours you will take? Okay, there should be maximum duration you can infuse the IV fluid to a patient, whether it was 6 hours, whether it will be the 12 hour, whether it is the 18 hour, whether it is the 24 hour. So what would be the right answer of this question? You always have to remember here. Very good, Josuvanti Kumar Eski. Okay, those who are mentioning 24 hour, their answer is correct one. Very good. Okay, Panchami Hrusikesh, those who are putting D option. Very good, Gitanjali. Okay, you all have to Tilottama. Okay, very good. Which of the following is considered as an example of intentional thought? Okay, 4 option has given to you. Out of that you have to choose the example of intentional thought, whether it is the malpractice, whether it will be the negligence, whether it is the breach of duty, whether it is the false imprisonment. So which one is the right answer? Okay, from this you will get surely one question, surely one MCQ. Okay, MCQ. This is 100% guarantee, no warranty. Okay, always you have to remember this one. Ethics, code of ethics. Okay, so 100% guarantee, surely you will get one question from this. Okay, this section. Okay, so what would be the right answer here? Very good. Those who are mentioning D option, their answer is correct one. Very good. Okay, D option, false imprisonment. Now we'll come back to next question. Persons selected for comparison and experimental research group are known as subject, control group, researcher, experimental group. Suppose you are conducting a research to 100 person. Yes dear, कुमार इसके आसिंग ओके यस और एग्जाम में आता है ऑफकोर्स कोड ऑफ एथिक्स का जरूर आपको क्वेश्चन एक तो जरूर आएगा. ओके, सपोज यू हैव सिलेक्टेड 100 पर्सन. Okay, that should be the comparison or experimental research group. Okay, that each individual is said to be okay, what will say subject. Each individual is said to be a subject. Always you have to remember this one. Not experimental group. Person, here that question is asking about person selected for comparison. An experimental research group are known as. यहाँ पर आपको क्या क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है? What that question is asking? Okay, what will tell to that person those who are selecting for the comparison and the experimental research group? So your answer will be the subject. Always try to understand the concept. Okay, English is very easy. English is a very easy language. Only need to understand the concept, what the question is asking you. Have you got it? Answer is A option. That's all for the day. See you tomorrow. Hope you all enjoyed a lot. Thank you very much to all of you. Good night to all. See you tomorrow. Another interesting session of day 6 of the Odisha SSC nursing officer. Okay, it is not only concerned with the Odisha SSC but is also concerned with the different nursing officer recruitment examination. ये मत सोचिए खाली उड़ीसा SSC का पैटर्न में बना हुआ है. That mean question will be applicable to each and every nursing officer recruitment examination. Okay, thank you very much to all. Take care. See you tomorrow. Okay, hope you have enjoyed a lot. Jai Hind.